With almost 500 sessions at Next 2018, it's understandable that you couldn't get to them all. So if you didn't see hybrid and open services with GCP, Envoy, and Istio, then stay tuned because here's the rewind. One of the challenges with making modern cloud-native applications is the amount of strain that it can put on your DevOps teams. This is why we need strong tools to do monitoring, discovery, fault tolerance, and observability for microservice deployments, no matter where they run. In this session, we brought together folks from Google Cloud and Lyft to share what we've done together in this space. First, let's talk about Istio, an open source service mesh that makes it easy to create a network of deployed services with load balancing, service-to-service authentication, monitoring, and more without any changes in service code. This is especially useful when transitioning from monolithic applications to a distributed microservice architecture. A few miles down the road from Google, ride-sharing company Lyft was facing similar challenges with their move to cloud native. As they built microservices in multiple languages, it became much harder to create a common proxy to support each language. So they developed Envoy, an open-source distributed proxy for large service mesh architectures, giving DevOps eventually consistent service discovery and observability, even for microservices written in different languages. Envoy used very similar APIs to internal Google APIs, so it became a natural fit to build it into Istio. Istio is comprised of a data plane and a control plane. Envoy provides the data plane with a set of intelligent proxies to control all network communication between microservices, while the control plane manages the proxies to route traffic and enforce policies. This now makes it possible to make a service available to a single Google Kubernetes cluster and across multiple clusters. So, with Istio and Envoy, we get load balancing across microservices in the same region. But we still need the ability to balance between regions as well. Thankfully, Traffic Director is here to help. It's a GCP managed service that uses open APIs to integrate with Istio and Envoy's service proxy to give you global load balancing for your backends. This is really awesome because you can now expand services and spill over across regions. It gives you centralized health checking, meaning each proxy doesn't need to check one another. Lastly, it enables traffic-driven autoscaling for your containerized backends. Traffic moves from one microservice in one region to the next service in a different region, acting like a global load balancer, but for your own internal services. Now your developers can continue to focus on business logic without a PhD in provisioning. Curious to hear more of the discussion between Lyft and Google Cloud? Check out the full talk and hear more from our panel with the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Cloud YouTube channel for more great Next Rewind content. Thanks for watching.